guys, welcome back to Backyard. I'm Eric.
I'm Rob.
And we got a pretty cool challenge going on today. What we're going to do is these are called what? Shish Kabob sticks?
Kebab skewers or
Kaboggers?
sticks.
Kaboggers?
They look like little wooden spears.
If you can see that. They're like little spears. And we're going to take this old baby gun right here, and instead of put a baby or a pellet in it, we're going to put one of these down inside the barrel and use it as a dart.
Yep.
Okay guys, this may seem like a really simple competition, but in reality, these things shoot like crazy, like all over.
They're bent. They're not straight.
They're not
by
straight.
any means.
They're not straight at all. They're
like
for
an
Shish
arrow.
Kabob. The first one to get most out of 6 wins. All right, so let's get ready. Shall win this thing.
Not a chance. You want to go first?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm the older one.
You are old.
All right, guys, so here is our little goofball, little ping ball. Here we go, first shot.
Oh,
Did it hit it?
That was right by it. No, that
Woo!
was pretty close.
Do it, buddy boy.
Is that it there? Is that it?
All righty.
Drum roll, please.
Oh, you're kidding. Oh,
Look at that.
Nice shot, man.
There's one.
All right, guys, one zip. Here we go. It's got to be a hit.
Right. It looks like you're just to the left.
You got to be kidding me. You shot right underneath that thing again.
Hey, there's one.
Woo! Are you kidding?
3 for 3.
I didn't even see the stick on that one.
It went through.
Oh, check it out.
Right there.
Nice.
And came out there.
That is cool.
Oh!
Yep.
Alright guys, so now we got 2 confirmed kills. Okay, you guys saw it with your own eyes. What we're going to do is right over here, it's a little close, and we think that we're going to up this challenge just a little bit and move it back over here a couple of feet. So, can you see that?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to get that set up, and yeah, we'll be right back.
The winning ball right there.
That did it. So it went in right there. Cracked it in half.
Good job, bud. All right, man.
All right, good game. Part 2, we're gonna do some moving targets. And what we got here are some handy dandy unicorn plates, paper plates.
This will work really well, I think.
I think so too. We got our assistant over here, my son Robbie, and he's going to be our plate thrower.
He's going to be our plate thrower.
Right. He's going to be the
names.
plate thrower.
Rob.
Official.
Rob. You got something there, bro.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Oh, dude. Oh. You got
Everybody has boogers. Everybody has boogers.
Okay. Anyway,
right.
so we got the little unicorns. They're going to be tossed, and the best out of 5
Best
shots.
out of 5 shots.
So you get 5 shots, I get 5 shots, and whoever hits that plate the most.
Unless we find out we can't shoot it, and then it's going to be if somebody grazes it or touches it or comes within like 5 feet.
True.
It's going to be the
It ain't
overall
gonna be
winner.
easy. It ain't gonna
won't.
be easy.
No, I think it's going to be pretty
We're going to be
tough.
back a little bit far this time.
Yeah. He's going to hold him in his teeth. Is it recording now?
Yeah, it is now. Little malfunction. We're going to redo this because this camera here, I forgot to hit record. So my brother and I actually won that, guys. So if I lose this time, I think we should count the first one as me winning. So we're going to do this again. So because it's fun and it's exciting, and we're going to go ahead and show us actually hitting them up close. Okay, thanks, bye.
1, 2, 3, pull.
Oh! Pull. Oh! Oh, pop. Oh. Yeah. Do that. It looks like it riveted like.
Oh, got him good.
That guy's right in the mouth hole. This may seem kind of stupid. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Hey guys, welcome back to. Hey guys, welcome back to. Hey guys, welcome to. I'm Eric. This is
Rob.
Rob. Oh.
All right, do it again. Sorry.
Dart.
Yep.
Dart.
Please subscribe. And see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.